In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments with Stripe, and we'll wrap it all up in just 5 minutes. To get started, let's head over to stripe.com. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing online payments. Once you're on the website, look towards the upper right corner and tap on the sign in button. This will take you to the login page where you need to enter your email and password. Make sure you enter the correct credentials associated with your Stripe account for a smooth login. After you've logged in, you'll land on your Stripe dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the home section. This is your main hub for all things payment related. Now let's focus on how to accept payments. Navigate to the payments section. This area is dedicated to handling all your transactions. You'll find an option for payment links. Clicking there will allow you to create simple, shareable links that customers can use to complete transactions. Once you're ready, click to create new payment links. The platform provides you with a straightforward walkthrough, ensuring the setup process remains intuitive. After you've crafted your payment link, simply copy it and share it with your customers via your preferred communication channel, whether that be email, social media, or directly on your website. But what if you want to handle more than just one-time payments? That's where subscriptions come into play. To manage subscriptions, you need to shift to the billing section. Here you'll find the subscriptions option. Click on it to see a list of your active subscriptions. To create a new one, select create a subscription, following the prompts to set it up according to your needs. Invoices are another powerful feature offered by Stripe. Backtrack a little and navigate to invoices. This section allows you to create a detailed invoice that can be emailed directly to your customers. It's a professional and efficient way to request payments. Finally, let's look into settings that ensure smooth operation. Go to settings and then under product settings, select payments. This tab gives you access to all available payment methods. Enabling the payment methods you wish to offer is as simple as toggling them on. Ensure this step aligns with your business model to provide flexibility to your clientele. Each of these steps helps form a comprehensive overview of accepting payments via Stripe. Whether your customers prefer direct payment through links or recurring subscriptions, Stripe facilitates a streamlined experience for both you and them. And that's it. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore the platform's features further and tailor them to suit your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.